So I'm just coming through giving y'all face. I tried a new foundation. If you girls are interested, you loving my foundation, you're liking it, you're loving it, you're loving it, you're liking it, you're liking how my makeup is looking, stay tuned for this review. What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. In today's video, what I'm gonna do is just a review of a couple of foundation sticks. It's from the company called Mented. If you're interested in the review and you're interested in my opinions, sit back, relax, and we're gonna get into it. All right, so backstory. I came across this company, Mented, a couple of months back. Actually, I first introduced them to my channel when I did my black owned haul. If you're interested in the video, you want to see the other products that I mentioned by that company, as well as other black owned companies, it should come up in the cards. Have a look. But hold up, wait, I don't want you to leave off this video. It'll be in the cards, linked in the cards. So after this video, you can go watch that. Like I said, rewind. I got introduced to the company about a couple of months ago. The foundation stick is supposed to be so great that it really supposed to blend into your skin, make it like skin-like. So I mean, we're gonna take a look. See, as always, the actual product's brand will be listed down below in this description box. If you like my review, you want to see what else they have to offer, it'll be there for you, sis. Go check it out. I have a couple of notes. It's called Skin by Mented. And it's their ultra hydrating formula. Is known to be lightweight but buildable, giving you the coverage you need with the natural finish you love. It says you're supposed to use it with the brush, but I don't know about you. I love putting on stuff with the beauty blender, so we're gonna try today to put it on with a beauty blender because I'm not really a fan of brushes. Personal preference, that's just me. Okay. This is their categories of how they do the shades. They have light, tan, medium, and dark. So I knew I wasn't light. I wouldn't consider myself to be light. I thought I was more on this hand side, and I knew I wasn't medium, and I knew I wasn't dark. So I decided to get T10 and T20. T10 is said to be light tan with neutral undertones, and then T20 was said to be tan with cool undertones. So I wasn't sure, but I thought I was in between those two. And then they also have like a little 60-second quiz to try to figure out your color. And then they also have like a shade finder based on other foundations. So I know for reference purposes, in NARS, I'm like the shade Cadiz. And in Rihanna, I believe I'm a shade 360. Funny story though, they had the Cadiz listed there for a match, and I think it said it was T20. But they didn't have Rihanna's 360. They had like 370 and 350. Like they didn't have 360. So let's try this out. I'm gonna first watch the T10 shade, and it just, their packaging is cute. Packaging is cute. It just looks like this. It's a foundation stick, right? Let me just get some of this hair out of my way. Okay. And then this is the T20. Same packaging. So the shades is like, they're pretty much the same, but it's just, you know, it's all about the undertone. So I think I'm gonna try the T20. Well, you know what, I'm gonna swatch both for you. So this is the T20. And then this one is the T10. Don't they look kind of the same? I don't know, guys. I wish I could tell me. So this one seems like it has more like a little, they kind of both look the same to me. Let me swatch another part. Let's do closer. Let's do it closer. So this is T10. Right? And then this is T20. Okay, this one looks more olivey. I think I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna go in with this one. So I'm gonna wipe this off really quickly, and that's T20. We're gonna go in with the T20. This one's giving more like a olivey undertone. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna look in my mirror. Yeah, I think this one is more of a match. So one moment. So I'm gonna go in with T20 and I'm going against the grain because I love a beauty blender. So we're just gonna, and I already moisturized and primed and everything off camera, and as well as them eyebrows, clearly, right? So let's see. I'm just gonna put some of this on. And I'm gonna use my little fake damp beauty blender because I really don't want to use a brush. I'm just gonna press that in. Now it says it's lightweight to buildable. Put a little bit more. Again, probably should be using this with a brush, but I told y'all I'm so like anti-brush. I'm not gonna lie, so far I'm really liking the consistency. I've been trying to find like a lighter weight foundation. I normally stick with my holy grail is the Rihanna Fenty, the Pro Filter foundation. I love that foundation. I love it, I love it, I love it. But sometimes, I don't know, I just be feeling like it's not doing it for me. Like, I don't know if it's just my mood or what, but it's really just not doing it for me these days. And I be looking for something a little bit more lighter weight because I don't know if y'all noticed, but I've been doing so good with clearing my skin up. And I just be wanting something just a little bit. What do you guys think? I'm really loving this so far. I really am. It is. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit more in my areas. I'm a little dark here and I'm a little dark here. I still have a little hyperpigmentation that I'm trying to clean up. So we're gonna put a little bit there. I'm gonna put a little bit there and there. My other areas are pretty much good. I'll put a little bit more here too. Let's see if we can get a little bit more building out of this. And listen, I'm not a beauty guru. Team Beauty Blender all day. Team Beauty Blender all day. Okay? Alright. So this is what we have so far. Come in closer. I like it. I'm not gonna lie though. If you have very oily skin, this may not be the best for you because as you see, it gives you like a little shine. So if you have oily skin, it's already shiny and then you're putting extra shine on top of this. I'm pretty sure you can like set it with a powder to try to control that oil, but this might be an oily mess for you. I'm not gonna lie, because you see like it's like really making my skin like shine. I see it like a shine, a glow type of shine, you know. Oily skin, this may not be the best for you. Dry skin, this will be great for you. So I think I'm going to finish up doing the remainder of my makeup. I think I'm going to come off camera and do it, and then I'll come back and we'll do a final review. But so far I am loving it, and I actually love this color. So if you're around my shade, the T20 would be great for you. The T10 had more like of an olivey undertone. So if your undertone has more like of the olivey or the neutral tones, it would be great for you. T20 had a little bit more of the warmer and like yellow undertones. So yeah, and I think my skin color has more warm like goldenness to it. I'm so far liking it. We're gonna come back with my makeup and let's do it. So guys, I'm back. I put on the rest of my face. It's giving very like skin-like. This is the final results. I like this. I see myself going, don't get me wrong, I'm not leaving Fenty. I'm not leaving my girl Rihanna alone. But this is good for those days that I don't feel like wearing her, you know? I do like this. And if you're around my shade, T20, it's upside down, T20. And the packaging again just looks like this. It's very sleek. I like this. I do. This is nice. This is really nice. I'm loving this. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this foundation. Let me know if you think it's a good match. Let me know if you're liking it. Let me know if you're not. I want to know. Let me know what's tea. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, until next time, bye beauties. Mwah.